Pre-war apartments on Riverside Drive are known for their charm. High ceilings, beautiful proportions, timeless character. But sometimes the bathroom tells a different story. This bathroom at 11 Riverside Drive hadn't been updated in decades. The layout felt tight, storage was minimal, lighting was flat and uninviting, and the old tub-shower combo, more cramped than relaxing. When daily routines were simpler and space planning wasn't as intentional. The finishes felt disconnected from the rest of the apartment, and in Manhattan, when square footage is limited, every inch has to work harder. So this space was completely reimagined. The outdated tub shower setup is now a full glass-enclosed walk-in shower. Instantly, the room feels larger and more open. Deep navy tile adds richness and depth. Oversized neutral wall tiles keep it bright and balanced. A sculptural sink creates a strong architectural focal point. And layered lighting with a full width mirror makes the space feel expansive. The result? Clean, elevated, intentional. A bathroom that finally matches the sophistication of the Upper West Side.
Okay, Brian, why did you choose my home for your bathroom renovation?
Well, I was impressed initially just with the website, but then when I reached out and got a very prompt response, very businesslike but friendly, and then with the follow-up in person, I was impressed.
And then how was your overall process with my home? How did you feel about your experience overall?
I thought it was good. You know, I'm not used to doing this kind of projects. I wasn't exactly sure what to expect, but I appreciate the fact that they were the interface with my building, which can be very, very particular about people doing work. So I didn't have to worry about that. They did the back and forth with the building. They were prompt, diligent, and pretty much kept to the schedule. They were pretty realistic about how long it would take, and came in, you know, as we expected.
What is your favorite part of your new space?
The size of the shower.
And then would you recommend my home to other people in New
Oh,
York
definitely.
City?
Sure. In fact, as somebody in the building, she was noticing that work was being done, and so I gave her some more information.